This is the Meguiar's Professional Vinyl and Rubber Cleaner Conditioner. This is the M40 brand here. This is the 16-ounce bottle. This stuff just works really great. I'm using it on this Wave Runner plastic right here. You can just see it just does a phenomenal job. Anytime we keep these things out in the sun over the summertime, it gets a lot of like sun fading, and this stuff definitely brings it back to life. Basically, you just spray it on here, and you could just do it a couple different ways. You could rub it off right away, but basically what I do is I just leave it sit on here for a little while, and then I'll wipe it off. It just really gets into the materials, just as a really nice shine. You'd see it just a milky substance right here, and I'll just wipe it off so you can see. It's not really sticky or anything. It has a very nice smell to it, so it's not like a chemical smell or anything like that, but basically what I'll do is I'll just spray it on here, leave it on for a few minutes, then I'll wipe it off. But overall, very pleased with this. I am a repeat buyer of this stuff, use it all the time. And again, it's the Meguiar's Vinyl and Rubber Cleaner Conditioner. It's the M41, 16-ounce bottle. This stuff goes a long way. Like I said, it has a really nice scent to it. It does a phenomenal job on this machine right here. So definitely want to pick some of this stuff up.